Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 6, Retirement and Death of a Partner, Adjustment for Goodwill. When a partner is going to be retired from the partnership firm, at that time, the retiring partner's share of profit is gained by the continuing partners. For that, the continuing partners has to provide some amount to the retiring partner in the name of goodwill, for the goodwill. So you see here, for that the journal entry is continuing partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. From the continuing partners account, we are going to transfer the amount to retiring partners capital account. Illustration number 12. Suresh, Sendamarai and Raj were partners. Three partners are here in the partnership firm, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 3/6 for Suresh. Suresh 3/6 and Sendamarai 2/6 and Raj 1/6. Suresh retired from the partnership firm. The first partner, he is retired from the partnership firm. The goodwill of the firm on the date of retirement was valued at 36,000. So the firm goodwill amount is 36,000. So in that case, yes, Suresh is going to be retired mean Suresh goodwill amount alone should be settled down now. So we have to calculate Suresh goodwill amount in the proportion of 3/6. Past necessary journal entries for goodwill on the assumption that fluctuating capital system is followed. So fluctuating capital method they ask us to follow it now. First we have to calculate the Suresh share of goodwill. So Suresh share of goodwill is equal to Suresh goodwill is equal to firm's goodwill into Suresh profit sharing ratio 3/6. 6 6 are 36. So 6 into 3 18. So 18,000 is the Suresh goodwill amount. This 18,000 is contributed by who are the remaining continuing partners, Sendamarai and Raj. So now you see here the amount 18,000 is going to be given to Suresh by the gained partners. Who are the gained partners here? Sendamarai and Raj. Here they didn't say Suresh share is hand over to either Sendamarai or Raj. They didn't say anything else. Now you see here, in that case we can't calculate the gaining ratio. If you want to calculate the gaining ratio, you need old profit sharing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. We have the old profit sharing ratio, but we are not having the new profit sharing ratio. So first option is not applicable. Second option, old profit sharing ratio and the proportion of shares gaining. Proportion of share gaining. Suresh share 3/6 is shared by the continuing partners. In which proportion they have shared, that should be mentioned. That also is not mentioned here. Proportion of share gaining also. In that case, we have to use the old profit sharing ratio as a gaining ratio by omitting the retiring partner. So when we are going to remove the retiring partner, we will have the gaining ratio as 2:1. 2:1. So 2 for Sendamarai and 1 for Raj. So this 18,000 is contributed by Sendamarai and Raj in the proportion of, in the ratio of 2:1. So 2/3 for Sendamarai. 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. So 6 into 2, 12. 12,000 amount, rupees 12,000 should be hand over to Suresh by Sendamarai. Sendamarai has to give. From Sendamarai's capital account, we are going to transfer to Suresh. Then remaining amount, suppose 1 is here, means 6,000. So 6,000 is hand over by Raj. So journal entry is, what is journal entry? Continuing partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account credit. So we can write a journal entry. Now they ask us to pass a journal entry only in the fluctuating capital method. In fluctuating capital method, we have only one capital account alone. So you see here, date is not mentioned here, so no need to pass the date. You can pass a journal entry for the retiring continuing partner, Sendamarai and Raj. So Sendamarai's capital account debit, Sendamarai capital account debit, amount rupees 12,000. The same way for Raj. Raj capital account debit rupees 6,000. total amount is transferred to who? The returning partner Suresh, to Suresh capital account. To Suresh capital account 18,000. You have to pass the journal entry. Goodwill amount is adjusted. Share of Suresh goodwill is adjusted. You can write your reason in your own words, no problem. Otherwise, Suresh share of goodwill is adjusted. You can write it here. It's a 2-mark question.